So I did a previous video on the Botanica line by Kerastase, and now that they have a couple of new products out there on the market for this line, I wanted to do like an updated video. They actually had a few more come out back in like February, and then now they just had more come out, so I'm like, okay, let's just go ahead and talk about all of them. If you don't know anything about Botanica, you can watch my last video on it. I kind of go more into the stuff about the line, but it's basically Kerastase's natural line. It uses like 96% natural ingredients, and it smells amazing. So when it first came out, they had the conditioner, the Soin Fondamentale. I can't speak French, I'm butchering all of it, just bear with me. And then the Bain Micellaire, which is the shampoo. They also had the Concentré Essential, which is like a thicker oil. And then they had the spray mist oil, the Essence de Clés. So when they started the line, they just had these four, and they were really great, but you know, we were missing like the mask, and we were missing a good leave-in and stuff, so we were still using products from the other parts of the lines. It's great because all of the lines can go together and they can be mixed and matched, but it wasn't great because if you wanted to be all natural, you were kind of ruining that aspect. Well, then in February, they came out with a few new things. They came out with these two sprays. They came out with Eau de Vagues, which is a beach wave effect spray, and then they came out with the leave-in, the Lait de Soy, which is basically kind of like Le Coco blow dry if you use that. I love that product. It's the best leave-in, it's so protecting, and it reactivates at each time you use it. So if you use heat on day 2, it reactivates the product and your hair is still protected from the heat. They also came out with another spray that I don't have because it's for curly hair, and it just is curl defining. Oh, and I didn't even mention this. They also have a candle because it smells so good. We wanted to have it in candle form too. They reformulated the shampoo to the Bain Micellaire Riche. If you're used to Kerastase, you're used to this certain feel where it's just very soft. And when this line came out, the number one complaint that people were saying was that they didn't like how it made their hair feel a little bit more rough. So with the Riche, this is a bit more like the original Kerastase products, and it makes your hair feeling a lot softer than the original one. Both are great, I use both. I don't feel like it's that big of a deal, and my hair still looks amazing whether I use one or the other. Now they just came out with a mask, and they also came out with this, which is the coolest, cutest little thing, Balm Miracle. Basically, you can put it on your hair, put it on the ends, and it's kind of like a little repair and restorative cream, but also it is for your skin as well. So I kind of just put it on, and I'll put it on my hands, rub it onto my elbows, and then put the remainder on it on the ends of my hair. Because I use so many of the products in my hair anyway, it's important to use all of it very sparingly so that you can get the benefits out of each and every one. So basically what I do is I use the shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and then I'll come out and I will use the leave-in. And you can mix the leave-in with a little bit drop of the oil, and you can mix that together and then work that through your hair before you blow dry. It's protecting and nourishing. But also I really love this little thing because like it's a really good addition to a bubble bath. If you just want to put a few pumps into your bath, it smells amazing and it gets all over your skin, and your skin feels just amazing. I do use both of these sprays. One is for more of a beachy effect, one is just an oil mist. It really just depends on what I'm kind of feeling for the day. I used the beach spray when my hair was a little bit damp, and then when it was completely dry, I put a little bit of mist on it just to kind of make it look not so dry. I'm super excited about all these. I really love this line to begin with, and now I'm just super excited that we have it like complete now. If you haven't tried them yet, or if you're not using Kerastase at all, you need to be using this stuff. It is so amazing, and I can't imagine like ever using a shampoo and conditioner that isn't Kerastase. But that is about it for the video this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below before you go, and leave any comments or questions that you have down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys next week for a future video. Later.